In my English class, I have learned several different things throughout the weeks. In week 1, it described different kinds of scholarly articles like case studies, editorials, and research articles. It also showed us how to properly cite the articles and know to put them in alphabetical order. In week 2, we learned how to write a memo and properly set it up. Memos are used to inform, to instruct, or to request. In week 3, we learned how to write a complaint letter and set it up properly. The tone for a complaint letter will be firm and polite. After you write the complaint, you will state what you would like to receive and will conclude on how it should be handled. The course outcome met was how to generate memos and reports. The institutional outcome was information literacy and communication. In week 4, it described 5 items to professional writing: audience, organization, development, design, and mechanics. These 5 elements are important and are needed to have an effective piece of professional writing. In week 5, we learned how important grammar is. Grammar errors can take away from the writing, and one should not rely on spell check. It may be helpful to have someone proofread your work or read it out loud. The course outcome met these 2 weeks was development strategies to become a more effective reader and writer. In week 6, we learned about communication. Communicating with other cultures can be difficult, but when you are unsure of something, it is better to ask for clarification than to assume. You will also have to be alert of cultural differences and be open-minded. The course outcome met was intercultural relations, and the institutional outcome was community and career. In week 7, we learned about statistics. Statistics can be misleading or misinterpreted. You have to make sure it is from a credible source and not bias. The course outcome met was analyze, evaluate, and synthesize research, and the institutional outcome was quantitative scientific reasoning. For workplace capabilities, I learned that communication is most important. Miscommunication can lead to errors that could have been avoided. Interpersonal skill is another workplace capability that is important. It goes along with communication because it involves interacting with others. Both of these are important for my future career as a PTA because I will be working with a variety of people from different cultures and need to know how to interact with each one of them and provide the best quality care possible.